Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix error history untold crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the different and very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager opening. And guys, here you will see all the background apps that are running on your PC. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol. So on the top you will see the app that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU. So make a right click on all of these applications that are useless, that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU, and just click on the end task. Then go to the startup on the top, and guys, here just disable all the background application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM using and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows search, type in the privacy settings, and it will appear on the top. So open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you'll see the option of background app. Just click on that and make sure that this option is off on your PC. If this is on, then you can just turn it off. Now these are also the useless application that you need to turn off. Now the next important setting is to system configuration. So go to the Windows search and just type here the system configurations and open it. Then go to the boot on the top, then just click on the advanced options. Then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then just select it. This will increase your game performance. So once you select it, then just click on the OK. Then just go to the services on the top. Then just check this box or the hide all master services. Then just disable all of these services, because these are the useless services running on your PC and causing your game crash. Then just click on apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game, and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye and take care.